What's unique about Lawai Road is it's the only part of Poipu where you just have this whole row of oceanfront homes. These homes have ocean views that just do not stop. They go on and on. The sunset views from this area are unmatched, and so is the whale watching. This is one area of Poipu known as the Spouting Horn side. This is also where you have Kukui'ula Harbor and Lawai Beach, which has some of the best snorkeling. The Beach House restaurant, which is well known for their sunset view dining, is within walking distance to some of the homes and condo complexes in this area.